So last time when I was doing the oil change, I took off this bottom cover here to let you see the oil drain plug and the rest, but now we're going to do this a normal way. There is an opening here. You don't really need to take this off. With socket number 17, you can do it just like that. This is our oil filter, which is located right here, and we need to replace it as well. Now we have here seals which we need to replace. Now I take a little bit oil and we just put it on that seal there. Now we just need to put our oil into the engine and we are done. For this vehicle, according to auto data, it's 5.6 liters. I'm not sure. I'm going to do 4.5 and then we'll do the measurement. Now let's check. So we are now almost full, but we need to run this engine for about 20 seconds and then look again. Now it has gone to its minimum, so 1 more liter for sure, and we'll see again. So now we can see it's actually on perfect level, not on the top, but almost there. I would like to keep it this way.